Hey guys, this is Money Club here. This is my watch list for today, March the 30th. Kind of going back to my early morning watch list, so everybody can kind of see what I'm watching because of the gap ups in the market, stuff like that. But regardless of the gap ups, these are what I'm looking at today. So SPY got over this level that I had pointed out on some charts last week. So we're there. I'm looking for a little bit of continuation. We actually gapped up a little bit, so I'm looking for us to actually push on up if we keep on running to 206.50, which is right there. Okay, I'm just kind of going back looking at some of these candles right here. All right, so I'm looking for SPY to push on back to 206.50, push on back up to 206.50. Fast MACD curled up yesterday because Yellen spoke, and I wanted to wait for her to get that out the way. So that's SPY. Going back to one of my all-time favorites, good old Facebook. This one, I'm looking forward to hit that all-time high again today. Um, Across that ATR trailing stop, which I actually had it back on watch here when it held the 49 and it just kept going. So actually, I'm looking for this one to touch that all-time high. If it touches that, my next target would be this fib extension right here or projection at 123.43. All right, so that's Facebook. Um, my next one, Visa. Visa got over this ATR trailing stop right here yesterday. That's critical support levels right there. So I'm gonna keep that one um, to keep moving. Still kind of gotta watch it with banks, but it was still strong in my opinion yesterday. So as long as it stays with this level, I actually like this one for a swing to keep moving in the future. The next one is Netflix. Now I was a little bearish on Netflix right here. But it held that 49 with this pink line right here, held at 49 EMA, which is quite crucial for me. I had this rising channel drawn for a while and said I really didn't want to mess with it unless Netflix could get back over this 106. So I like Netflix. If it gets over the 106, I like it to keep on pushing and really run. You know, when Netflix gets over certain levels, man, that thing makes these wild moves. So really keep Netflix on your watch. You closed at 104.13. You may want to watch it as an intraday trade. Let me see what it's doing right now. 104. It's not doing too much because it's still early in the morning. So anyway, my first target on Netflix would be the 106 level. After you get up 106, if you don't want to mess with that so far as a day trade scalp, wait for it to get up 106 and hold. That baby could run. And the indicators are showing that it's ready to get on back up there. So that's Netflix. This one looks a little weak actually. This is Citigroup, one of the banks. You got a crossover right here. I don't have the 8 EMA on here, but that's a crossover signal right there with the little arrow. Still above the ATR trailing stop, but I'm kind of bearish on this one looking at the other indicators. So this one, if it gets under 41, I like to just keep on pushing on down. So 41 is the key level on Citigroup for me. That's the level that I'll be watching. I'll watch this one closer to around 8:30 just to see what the levels do. Oil is up right now. The Nasdaq is up about 35 points. The S&P is up 1250. The Russell is up 6.7. And the Dow looks like we're going to open up another 100 points. So there's going to be some big old gap ups. So watch these gaps, watch them to sell off, and or pull back and keep on pushing. Okay. So those are the things that I'll be watching. Still got four more tickers. We got Kellogg's right here, one of my all-time favorite grinding stocks. Um, I've had that channel right there drawn for so long, it's ridiculous. And that thing has just stayed in there, and I've played it I don't know how many times. Play it when it gets down to the bottom, play it when it gets up to the top. As you can see, when it was down here at the bottom, yeah, when it was right there, I'm sorry, at this one, it was oversold. So I bought it there, sold it up here, shorted it actually, got a little bit, but almost broke even. Kind of stayed out of this range right here. It's pushing again. So if I extend these lines on out, uh, see that right there? And I'm just going to extend this one as well. All right, so you got your channel range right there. So I really like Kellogg to keep on rocking and rolling. Let's go get us some Tiger cornflakes or whatever they sell. Anyway, as a big time gun man, I love South Smith and Wesson. Some guys in chat have played this one. I like it as well. This one got, it just kept running and running. I like how it sold off right there. Looks like it may want to base and push on back up. Due to the political BS going on, this one still continues to keep on grinding because people think their guns are going to be taken away or the rules have changed if a certain person is elected to the presidential office. But anyway, regardless of that, I just play what I see. I like when they sell off like this in an uptrend. That's healthy pullback. Earnings are behind us. It is oversold right here, so I'm watching for this one to keep on pushing. I would like to see this one come on up back to the 30.45 level. Um, but right there, that gives you a nice little range because you're at 27.33, so we got another $3 if we could roll. So anyway, that's Smith and Wesson. I really like this one for a swing to keep on rolling. One that I've had on for a while is Coca-Cola. I had Coca-Cola back on watch somewhere here, right through here. I put it on watch and I said if Coca-Cola could get over this level, I think it got over right there and then it pulled back. And I kind of didn't watch it for a few days. The next thing I know, it was up here, and I'm like, well, I'll wait for this thing to pull on back again. No, this thing is in a clear, flat-out uptrend. See where I had these little levels drawn right here? I mean, that thing is just out there. If I fib this one, let me see. Yeah, it's already selected. I would fib it from right there to right there. Man, that thing would have to come on back to like the 44. I don't think you're gonna get there unless the market turns. But I would try to see if this thing pulls back. Just keep it on watch. But right now, it has this mojo going. Let me see something. I mean, that's an all-time. Well, I'm not gonna say all-time high. I'd have to go all the way on back. I'm not gonna go that far. But in 3 years, Coca-Cola is looking real nice. Okay, so back to the daily. Who else have I got? Oh, Linux. So I got my staple list of about 100 or so stocks that I like to keep on watch. Linux. Do something. I just want to see. Yeah, I don't want that. Okay, so Linux is at about 135. Really, no more resistance after it got over this little consolidation level right here. So if Linux can keep on pushing, and I have a couple of indicators down here showing that it wants to keep moving. Okay, bouncing off that zero line right there. I really like to watch it when it does that. That longer term MACD might be curling back up, and we're going to get a gap up. So I'm looking for this one to push on up to that most recent high of 138.57. Might bang its head right there. We also have earnings season coming up, so a lot of these stocks may teeter out. Everything's been on a really, really nice run. Great to see in the market. So let's keep on pushing and see what the market holds for us. All right. That's all I got right now. Trying to get you guys more watch list up. May start some swing trade notifications here in the future. So anyway, good luck. Happy trading. Peace.